Hello everyone. Very good morning. Welcome to our EVS lecture, lesson number 6, and our topic is work and play. Children, I know this is a very interesting topic for you all. Yes, because in this topic we will talk about the games. We will talk about to play. What is the importance of playing in your daily routine? Okay. So today in this chapter, first I will teach you about the work and then play. So all of you are ready? Yes? Fine. So today I will introduce to you first the recreational activities. Before that, I will teach you that what is a recreation. Okay? Then the importance of healthy living, exercise and playing outdoor games and the types of the games. But in my next session, I will explain you about the indoor games and outdoor games. Okay? Today only I will explain you about the work and about the recreational activity. So first we talk about the work, that what is a work, and after that recreations. So children, what is a work? A work means to do something that involves physical or mental effect. The work, okay, the work to do. In Hindi we can say कुछ काम करना जिसमें आप अपना फिजिकल और मेंटल एफर्ट्स डाल सकते हैं. सपोज यू आर प्लेइंग, सो इन प्लेइंग यू यूज़ योर फिजिकल एफर्ट. हम दौड़ते हैं, जंप करते हैं. ओके. एंड व्हेन यू आर स्टडिंग, आप कुछ पढ़ रहे हो या यू आर डूइंग योर वर्क, एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो यू यूज़ योर माइंड. सो व्हाट इज़ अ वर्क? Work means to do something that involves physical or mental effect. Okay? All of you clear? Now one more thing is that the work is of two types. दो types के work होते हैं. First, the work we do to earn money. For that is known as a labor work. हम कुछ काम करते हैं जिससे हमें पैसे मिलते हैं. Okay? And the next is a work which gives us pleasure. और दूसरा जो काम है जिससे हमें खुशी मिलती है, हम फ्रेश हो जाते हैं. So there are two types of work. The work which gives us money, which fulfill our needs, is called a labor work. And the second is a pleasure. With the work which gives us pleasure is known as a pleasure work. So work means to do something that involves physical or mental effort. Okay? So you can see in your home also your mother is cooking food. Yes, the maid, the servant coming in your house, he is sweeping, mopping, वो कुछ काम कर रहा है. ठीक है? Sweeping or mopping. The gardener is taking care of the garden. So these work, your mother also doing some work. Okay? So this is known as work, in that they use their physical as well as their mental effect also. But your father is doing work, going to office, going to shop, that is known as a labor work. Because when he goes to office, when he goes to his shop, he earn money for your needs. समझ में आया सबको? Yes. But the mother is doing work. अगर मम्मी घर पर काम कर रही है, doing the work, that is known as a pleasure. She gives you a pleasure as well as herself also. Okay? Fine. नाउ वी ऑल नीड टू ईट न्यूट्रिशियस फूड. अगर हमें अच्छा वर्क करना है, अगर हमें अच्छा कुछ एक्टिविटी करनी है, फॉर दैट द मेन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स टू ईट अ न्यूट्रिशियस फूड. अच्छा हेल्दी खाना खाने चाहिए. ओके, आवर सराउंडिंग क्लीन. यू शुड क्लीन योर हाउस, your surrounding clean, so that you be healthy and strong. If you are healthy and strong, then only you can do some work. Otherwise you sleep, you became the lazy. So to do a work, you should be fit, you should eat the nutritious food. Now what is a nutritious food? न्यूट्रिशियस फूड का मतलब होता है यू कैन ईट द ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स, you can eat the pulses, milk, fruits in balanced diet. Okay, so we all need to eat nutritious food and keep our surrounding clean so that we can be healthy and strong. Now I will talk about the recreation. Okay, now what is a recreations? Now one thing I will tell, that every evening you all are telling us one thing, that every evening I go to a park near my house to play with my friend. What you play? You play the football, cricket, many other games that keeps you healthy and happy. Yes, always study make you bore. So you have listened one thing, that work make the jack dull. हम पूरे दिन पढ़ाई करेंगे, पूरे दिन काम करेंगे तो हम बोर हो जाते हैं. तो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना चाहिए? वी हैव टू बी रिफ्रेश. हमें रिफ्रेश होना है. कैसे रिफ्रेश होते हैं? टू प्ले द गेम्स, टू डू द एक्सरसाइज. जो हमें पसंद है वो काम हम करते हैं, टू रिफ्रेश आवर माइंड. सो एक्टिविटी दैट रिफ्रेश अस एंड मेक अस हैप्पी आर नोन एज रिक्रिएशंस. ठीक है, what is recreations? The activities that refresh us and make us happy are known as recreations. So which is the main recreation activity? The main is the playing games. Yes, when you go to the park, you play the different types of games that keeps you healthy and happy. So playing games is the best form of entertainment and recreations. You see in this pic, the boys are playing the football. So happy they all are. Yes, so recreational activity are the thing that we do when we are not working. जब हम कुछ काम नहीं करते हैं उस समय हम ये recreational activity करते हैं, to make us relax. ठीक है, time spent on recreational activity is known as a leisure time. वो टाइम हम फुल एनर्जिक रहते हैं, खुश रहते हैं, एंड वी बिकम अ फ्रेश. सो देर आर मैनी रिक्रिएशनल एक्टिविटी. यस, सो वी ऑल्सो नीड टू प्ले, एक्सरसाइज एंड टेक रेस्ट टू रिमेन फिट. पूरे दिन वर्क, पूरे दिन हम पढ़ाई करके हम बोर हो जाते हैं, तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए? वी हैव टू प्ले द गेम्स, वी डू द एक्सरसाइज टू मेक आवर बॉडी एंड द माइंड फिट. इट गिव्स अस एनर्जी टू कंप्लीट आवर वर्क. यस, एंड वी ऑल्सो कीप आवर सेल्फ फ्रेश एंड एक्टिव. सो बाय प्लेइंग द गेम्स, हम फैमिली के साथ गेम्स भी खेल सकते हैं. यस, देन व्हाट यू डू? You read the books. The reading is the best exercise. You can read the book to make your mind fresh. Many students habit or to take the interest of reading books, story books. You can read any books to refresh your mind. You can do the drawing, you can do the sketching work. Yes, so reading book is an important, very very interesting and very relaxing pastime. You can go out for the cycling also. It make your body also fit and your mind also become fresh. Then the best thing is to listen the music. If you like to listen the music, you can listen music in your free time. Okay, so these are the recreational activities. So what is a recreational activities? The activity that refresh us and make us happy are known as recreational activity. So we all do the different things in our free time. जब हम free होते तब क्या करते हैं? क्या करते हो? You on the TV and see the serials? No. You should not see anything in the television. If you want to see, you can see half an hour or the hour. But you can read the books, you can play the different games. Yes, listen the music, and beside this, the reading book is very very relaxing pastime. Yes. So some have the hobbies to do the painting. आप पेंटिंग भी कर सकते हो, आप स्केचिंग भी कर सकते हो. Yes, so these are the recreational activity. So dear, in this session we learn only the two topic, that what is a work and what is a recreational activities. Now in our next session, I will explain you what is indoor games, what is outdoor game, and what are the individual game. So I think that you all have understand this chapter. Yes. Now one more thing I want to do, thanks to you all, that all the students have uploaded a very beautiful फोटोज़ ऑफ योर. यस, आप सब ने बहुत अच्छे अच्छे फ़ोटोज़ अपलोड किए हैं. ओके, नाउ यू हैव टू रीड द चैप्टर and there is no assignment. Only see the video and read the chapter. So all of you all, once again, thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.